Oh, chill. Chill. Is the bathroom back here?
No, it's all the way the other way.
Huh? Okay, thank you. Hey man, I work here. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for top ramen and Nissan Golf and shit like that.
Wait. It's not in this aisle. It's not.
Well, it's right there.
No, there's another, like, there's another spot for ramen.
Stop the cap.
I can take you over here.
Man.
Yeah. I think it's a little bit farther down. Down here. Yeah. Hey, excuse me. How you doing? So my friend right here thought you were really attractive. Wanted to get your phone number.
Thank you, but I'm married.
You are? Oh, she's married, bro.
Alright. You're gonna get hit, man.
I'm gonna get hit?
Good way to get fucking hit.
Wait, what? Yo, shoot! What is... Oh, chill. Chill.